know I'm your type, right? Mark your calendar, tonight's gonna be your life's highlight.
Another day, another vlog. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we are gonna be doing something a little bit different today. Not your usual making my bed, etc. On today's episode of Vlogmas, I'm gonna be doing my in-depth hair routine. Hair care 101 for you guys. I'm just gonna start off by saying everybody's hair is different. So just because it works for me doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. I had to try a lot of things in order to get my hair where it is right now. I did do Function of Beauty for about a couple of months and it ended up just drying out my hair a lot more, and it wasn't for me. Until I found my holy grail. The Re products, they're all from Shea Moisture. This shampoo is the shampoo that you need. Let me just give you a rundown of how I do this in the shower. When I use this, I only put it like in my roots. Here, I'll show you. So when I'm in the shower, I will like flip my hair like this, like that, and then I'll grab like a couple like I'll grab some and then I'll just lather it into my scalp. And then once it's all like lathered up, I won't put any on the bottom. I'll just like scrunch it up and use any of like the leftover products that I had, and I'm gonna just rinse it off. And I'm gonna go into this, which is the Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Conditioner, and then I will only put it on the ends of my hair. The only reason why I don't put it on all of my hair is because I generally have really oily hair, and if I put more oil, I'm screwed. The key to retaining the most moisture in your hair when putting conditioner is to rinse with cold shower. Huh? To rinse with cold water. Emphasis on the cold. Like, if you don't like showering in cold water, I hate showering in cold water. I could never, like, even when I go to the Philippines, I always have to boil a kettle of hot water because I just can't. I cannot with the cold water. Buy one of those detachable shower head thingies, change it to cold, and just run it down your hair. I personally don't have a detachable shower head, so I have to literally shower like this because I just don't want to touch the cold water. And then after that, I will go in with this right here. This is the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner. I know I just put in conditioner, but I'm just gonna put in another one because my hair needs all the moisture it can get. This I just started using because I love the smell of it, and it's super lightweight. Like, it's not a lotion. It's so lightweight that it literally looks like water. Here, I'll show you. Oh, but it smells so good. Another thing I just started doing like recently is like rice water. I know a lot of people like see it on TikTok. A lot of people see like other influencers do it. Trust me when I say it works. It works. I swear to bejesus was like up to here. And I also trim my hair every other week. I literally just tie it up, flip it over. It doesn't have to be pretty. It really doesn't. When I go to bed, I sleep with silk pillowcases. These are the silk pillowcases that I sleep on. And not only has this benefited my hair, but my skin has gotten so much better just because I have really sensitive skin, and it's taken me forever to find like the right products that I use for my skin, like etc. Other than that, I will take like a little bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil is so good for you guys, but don't put it on your face. I learned the hard way that it will just make you break out. Like for me, coconut oil made me break out, so I don't put it on my face, but I do take a little bit, rub it into my little fingertips, and then I'll massage it into like the ends. Oh, keeping in mind, I bleached my hair like a couple months ago, and then I box dyed it because in quarantine my roots were just, oh my gosh, wow. My roots were literally like down here. It was so bad. And then I just box dyed it. And this is what my hair currently looks like. By the way, I curled it yesterday, so this is like second day hair. Oopsies. But it's like a work in progress, you know? And you know, taking care of your hair takes time. So this is she from the back. Hello. Me from the back. I'll also do this thing before I go to bed. I'll grab a hair claw or a hair clip, and I'll do this thing where I'll show you. I'll grab all of my hair basically, and then I'll do this like a French twist, whatever that's called, and then I'll twist it up like this, and then I'll fold it like this, and then I'll just clip it so that my ends are protected when I sleep. Somebody has decided to join this video today. I think that's it. It's pretty simple. I mean, it doesn't really have to get that complicated when it comes to your hair or your skin or like anything in general. You just, for me, you just gotta keep it simple, and that's just what works best. If you made it through to today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace!